honor teens from the community who have demonstrated commitment to making a positive change on the world in one of 6 categories.
I'm totally ready to see some talent.
Personally, it's a lot about just having the initiative. If you ever want to help the community, no one's going to say no. Everyone's always looking for a little extra help, and just learning how to speak for yourself and support yourself is a really crucial way in developing your personality and your advocacy.
You have a voice and you deserve to be heard. It will release a boldness inside of you maybe you didn't realize was even there.
With me and a lot of the teens in my local area, we've really been so connected. We want to try to expand, work with meeting legislators in their local offices and trying to get teens to be more active in the community. We're all good friends, so we want to make sure that we can get together more often because Believe LTD community is awesome.
Over the years and moving to California and learning about all the special and communities and the better benefits that I could have made me try to advocate a bit more to especially government leaders and teaching them that living with hemophilia is not like a hindrance, it's more of a blessing that I can be alive today and in an era where people like us can survive.
The advice I would give to other athletes would be to set your own limits and not let your bleeding disorder set them for you.
I came home and told my mom, these kids keep asking me why I wear band-aids on my hands, and she was like, well, do you want to tell them about hemophilia? Or do you want to stop wearing the band-aids to school? And I said, I want them to know. I want everyone to know.
Such an amazing thing to see what can happen just by stepping up and telling people things they don't know.
Just knowing that I'm impacting someone else's life in even a small way, I know that it's making a difference in their life, and it takes the focus off of myself and puts it onto somebody else, and just makes me feel like I'm making a difference, even if it's in a small way.